the dynamics with which we concluded this election necessitated for us to take things with a certain level of calmness and processes. So the first thing that we did was to have a transitional team put together so that between us, the incoming, and the outgoing, there is a body that will work to get the outgoing executive to hand over to us. Now, we were able to achieve that first goal, to hand over the account, to change signatories, and things like that. But there are still things that are outstanding, like the membership cards we don't have yet, and some other documents are not there. But we want to take our time because, again, I don't want this to appear like we are fighting. We are not fighting. Like I told you, our goal when we took over was not to continue fighting, but was to create harmony. If we can minimize internal divisiveness and maximize internal cohesiveness, that has been my paramount goal. So we are taking our time, and the outgoing chairman and I have been developing a rapport. You know, it was like a new relationship, but over time we have developed trust. So I believe by the time he comes back from Freetown, we should be able to sit down and iron these things out. But I will assure you, from now moving forward, that is how the norm is going to be in this chapter. Because when my time of office is over, that is exactly what I will do. But for now, we are trying to take our time so nobody feels we are on a witch hunt. So everybody understand we are doing this as a procedural process. We haven't gotten an audited report yet from them, but we have gotten a transitional report. So that is a step forward.
Okay. So with respect, you are assuring us that the audit will be done.
Well, we will determine the circumstances, and based on reasonable understanding of the situation, I will say it could be done or it cannot be done. But the time for now will not be, today is not the right time to say.
I rest my case.
Thank you.